In this video, I'm going to be using a lead magnet on a lead capture page to build an email list so I can retarget my audience and make more commissions. We're going to be using Builderall. Now, Builderall, September 15th, 2023, Builderall is going to be doing a major update, the 6.0 update. Prices are going up. Check out my links if you like Builderall. By September 14th, the prices are going up. There's a coupon code, SAVE50. Put SAVE50 in a coupon code. You'll save 50% off your first month. You know, I'll get that right out at the beginning so you have it. But watch the rest of the video anyway. Okay, this is the Builderall back office. I'm not going to go through most of it. I just want to run through quick and do what we're here to do. So the first thing we need to do is create a mailing list to put the emails that we're going to capture to place we can store them. Okay, so let's go to apps up here. We're going to look for the mailing boss over here. We're going to go to mailing boss. Like I told you, Builderall has over 40 tools for the digital marketer, all under one roof. So let's go up to subscribers. We're going to go to lists. Okay, it's going to give you all your lists. Okay, so we're going to use the you didn't know one that I made already, but I'm going to show you how to make it quick. All you got to do is come up to create a list. You're going to make a list name. You're going to enter the subscribers. So this is a double opt-out. You want to do double opt-in and single opt-out. Okay, so that's what you want to do, double opt-in always and single opt-out. Okay, so that's what you need to do, and then you create. And then you have your list. It'll be over here with all your stuff on it. And then you can go back to Builderall, go back to the apps, right? Come back over to the website builder. Now, okay, again, I'm not going to go through all of the stuff here. This is Builderall back office. You didn't know is the website I'm going to look at. So over here, create a new page. All right, so then you create a page. You create the page name, the page title, the page description. All of this is good for SEO. You put all your keywords in here for what you're trying to do, and you can write your page script in there. Okay, so that's what you do to get to make a new page. Okay. So this is the website builder for Builderall. Very simple, very drag and drop, very user friendly. You can do a lot of stuff with it. We're going to add a panel to start. Let me move out of the way here. So what do you need to start? What's at the top of the page? I always forget to put them, but a header. You don't need a header on a lead capture page, but you could put a header up there. And okay, so then, let's put one up there. Boom. Okay, so now we got a header up there. All right. So now let's go back. We're going to add a panel. First fold, right? We need lead magnet page. We can take this one. Boom, template. We got a lead magnet page. All right. So what you need to do over here is set list with this little star cog, right? So you set the list, and the list you created should be there, right? The you didn't know is the one we were looking for. Save. Okay, so now when they put their email and put their name in and click it to get whatever the lead magnet is, it's going to go on that list, and you're going to have them on that list. And stick with me. I'm going to show you what you're going to do with the list in a few minutes. All right. Okay, so we're customizing the website. Okay, so save element, you can save it. Edit element, we're going to edit in a second. So we're going to edit over here. Now over here is all the edit parts over here. So you can, the general settings, you can change that. All right, you can change the size, you can change maximum width, field style, general colors, you can change the colors, the background color, the hover color, all of that kind of stuff, right? Just the round border, headline, you can change the headline, change the sub headline. That's up here and right there. The shadow, animation, tag, configuration. Okay, that's all from edit the element, right? You can layer it up or layer it down on the website, on the page. Center it if you want. Set list, we just set the list. You set the list by going like that and picking the list you want, right? And we already did that. Grid we don't need. Set the link. Now this link is where it's going to go. List URL settings. So when it's subscribed confirmed, they're going to go to this URL, and that we're going to put the page. Let's see. I'm going to send them to the lead capture page. All right. Social proof. You can clone it if you want. Hide element. All right. Now over here, we're going to change this. All right, now we're going to edit the element here. All right, now over here we're going to go to general settings, change image. All right, let's we're going to have to look for a file. So we're going to search. We made this. I made this in Canva quickly, and we're going to upload it to Builderall. All right, so this is what we want to do. Resize it. All right, spot fake reviews, spot fake Amazon reviews. All right. Now again, this is a template. I could have done this from scratch and started all over from scratch. Now you can change this to download your free digital copy today, to download your free tips on Amazon reviews or whatever your thing is. You can change all of this, and then this is highly customizable, like I said. All right. Now let's go over to Mailing Boss. All right, here we are in the list. Now we're going to go over to the pages and the emails, right? We said that we're going to go to the emails. So now on the welcome email, we can update the welcome email. Let's see what it is. Thank you for subscribing to the list name. And when it's in parentheses like this, that means it's going to pre-print whatever it is. So it's going to put whatever list name it is. And you can update your information anytime by clicking here. Now you can also turn around here and put your lead magnet. So here is a copy of your of the thing that was promised to you, right? Now I made it on ChatGPT pretty easily. If I go back to ChatGPT, I might be able to show it to you. Okay, so I went to ChatGPT and I said, I need a lead magnet for Amazon shoppers. Give me five pain points for Amazon shopping. All right, and they narrowed it down, and I figured it out that it was going to be Amazon fake reviews, what I was going to do the lead magnet on, right? Then I keep asking it, and it just keeps narrowing it down. And then I ask it for a okay, so I like number one, create a detailed 5-step plan to help solve number one. So then they gave me the 5-step plan, and that was my lead magnet. Okay, pretty simple, pretty simple, pretty simple. All right, let me go over to, where is my lead magnet? Made in Google Docs. Very simple, very plain. You can jazz this up with photos, do whatever you want to do. It doesn't have to be jazzy. It doesn't have to be fancy. It's a free thing, right? And you give them a link to this right up here. You got a link. Where is it? Up here. Up here, the share link. All right. You put share to everybody, anyone with the link, and you copy the link and you put the link in the email. All right. Easy peasy. So now they're going to get what they wanted. You're going to get their email, and now you can target them for life. Okay, this is a pretty good illustration of what you're doing, okay? Your social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Google, wherever you're getting your traffic from, you're sending them to the email, to the lead capture page. They're getting the lead capture, whatever it is, your lead magnet. They're getting your lead magnet, and then they're putting their email in, so they're getting on the email list. Now, from the lead magnet, you can send them to a sales page for whatever it is you want to sell them, right? Could be anything, right? And then from there, they're going to go to the thank you page. Now, from the thank you page and from the email, it's going to automatically start. These are all emails. So every week, they're going to get an email. This is a value email, a sales email, a value email, a sales email, a value email, a sales email. So the value emails will be shopping tips, how to use Prime, or whatever your niche is. Okay, could be for whatever niche it is. All right, and so you give them value. You're not hard selling every email, because they're not going to like that. All right, so you're going to give them value, and then every third one you're going to send them a sale, right? Jab, right hook type of thing, right? And you're going to get sales, and that's how you're going to get $1 per email per month, all right? And etc. It goes on forever. This goes on forever until they buy or die, right? And you're going to scrub the list so that if you send, let's say you have 1,000 people on an email list, right? You have 1,000 people on an email list, and 200 of them never open it. Never open any emails you send them, okay? You're going to take them off the list, right? You're going to scrub the list. It's called scrubbing the list. You're going to take those 200 off because they don't open any of your stuff. People open your emails. You're going to leave them on there. They didn't buy anything, but you're going to leave them on because they're opening your emails. Maybe they'll buy someday. But if they're not opening the emails, you scrub it, you take them off. All right. And how many? Maybe it's 5, maybe it's 10, maybe it's 3, whatever you think the number is. Okay. But when they get to that number, okay, 5 unopened emails, they're off the list. Okay. Then you'll have a list of 1,000 or 10,000 or 50,000 emails of people who open your emails. Do you know how powerful that is? Okay. They say a good scrubbed list is worth $1 a month per email. 10,000 subscriber email list, $10,000 a month from just sending out emails on an autoresponder. You set it up and it automatically sends it out. So then you have it set up for 1 email a week, let's say. So 4 times a month, people are going to get an email. Now they sign up, they get their email put in, and it starts the sequence. They automatically get the email. You don't have to do anything. Okay. You don't have to do anything. Okay, except if you want to update the products and all of that kind of stuff, right? But the emails, once you set up the autoresponder, it sends it out automatically, and all the new people that come in, they get put in the funnel, and you don't have to do anything. All you're doing is pushing it on social media or ads or whatever you want to do, right? But you're pushing it wherever you're pushing it to get your traffic, and then once you get the traffic, okay, you have it for life, and until they buy or die, basically, is what you got. All right. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Any part of this, I can make a video specifically on what to do and how to do it, any specific one. But it's hard. The video would be so long to do it the right way, to show you every little thing, what you got to do. And it's not that hard. It's not rocket appliances, right? So let's get going. What are you waiting for? Again, save 50. Okay. Go to jimtmullen.com. Save 50 will get you 50% off your first month. And if you get in by the 14th, you'll be grandfathered in. I signed up 5 years ago. I'm paying what 5 years ago prices. I'm grandfathered in. All right. If you get in today, you'll be grandfathered in. So they're going to upgrade every year for the next 5 years. You'll still be paying this year's prices. Okay. You got to get in by the 14th. Okay. That's my best advice to you. Builderall is a great all-in-one digital marketing platform. Every tool you need to make money online, every tool that you need to run any kind of shop, store, course, webinar, page, website, email, everything. They got every tool there. Okay. Like and subscribe. Almost forgot.